नमस्कार तुमकां सगळ्यांक म्हणजे प्रेस भाव आनी भयणी हांगा आसा तुमकां सगळ्यांक नमस्कार आनी येवकार. आमी आमचे गोवा फॉरेस्ट कॉर्पोरेशन सीझन 3 गोवा कॅज्यू फेस्ट सीझन 3 2025 आयोजीत करता 25, 26, 27 एप्रील आनी तुमकां सगळ्यांक आमंत्रण आसा. प्लीज बी देर ॲट DB ग्राउंड्स ॲट 4:30 PM आमचे फेस्टिवल सुरू जाता. आणि एक खूब अभिमानाची गोष्ट की आमचे गोवा फॉरेस्ट कॉर्पोरेशन हे सीझन 3 फायनली आयोजीत करता. आणि ह्या फावटी आमची टॅगलायन आसा एक्सप्लोर, एम्पावर आनी एनरीच. आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा आमी सगळीं हांगा गोंयकार आनी काजू म्हणटा ते कितें वी ऑल नो वॉट इज द इम्पॉर्टन्स ऑफ कॅज्यू टू ईच अँड एवरी गोवन. सो हें जे आमी पळय कॅज्यू फेस्टिवल आयोजीत करपाचें जे आमी ठरयलें, सो एक विजन आशिल्लें की आमचे गोंयचो काजू ताका एक मातशें म्हत्व मेळचें म्हणून. अशें दिशिल्लें की वेन आय टूक ओवर एज चेअरपर्सन ऑफ गोवा फॉरेस्ट कॉर्पोरेशन, एक्चुअली आमचें कॉर्पोरेशन वॉज नोन एज अ कॅज्यू कॉर्पोरेशन कित्याक वी ओन 6,500 हेक्टर्स ऑफ कॅज्यू प्लांटेशन्स इन गोवा. म्हणल्यार इट कंप्रायझेस ऑफ यू कॅन से 12.5% ऑफ द कॅज्यू क्रॉप. फूल तर प्रोडक्शन आमी तर गोंय राज्यान पळयलें 56,000 हेक्टर्स ऑफ कॅज्यू हेक्टर्स काजू प्लांटेशन सद्या आसा गोंय राज्यान, विच इज मोर लायक एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट एंड ऑल. तातूंतले 12.5% बिलोंग्स टू अस. सो वी आर कायंड ऑफ लायक मेजर म्हणटा तशें आमचे हॉर्टिकल्चरल क्रॉप हो. सो जेन्ना वेन आय टूक ओवर आमी वी वर थिंकींग की ह्या काजूचे हांगा आमी पळयतात की वेगळी वेगळी फेस्टिवल्स जातालीं गोंय राज्यान. बियर फेस्टिवल, कितें वायन फेस्टिवल आनी फूड फेस्टिवल. पण हें आमचें हंबल फ्रूट काजू वीच आमी म्हणटा आमची लेगसी, आमची हेरिटेज. प्रत्येक गोंयकाराक वी आर व्हेरी प्राऊड ऑफ अवर कॅज्यू म्हणटा तशें. अशें ना की कोणाच्या घरा फाटल्यान तरी एक काजूचें झाड तरी आसतलेंच. आमी प्रत्येक तर गांवांनी तर पळयलें जाल्यार काजू आसतलोच. पण अशें दिसलें की ओवर द इयर्स दीस कॅज्यू कायंड ऑफ हॅड लॉस्ट इट्स आयडेंटिटी आनी गरज आशिल्ली की हें काजूक तितलोच म्हत्व मेळपाक जाय. तेंच कारण हें आयोजीत करपाक कॅज्यू फेस्टिवल म्हणटा आमी काजू महोत्सव. कित्याक आमी इट इज नॉट ओन्ली अबाउट like it is not only our vision about the cashew or taking cashew. It is not only ki cashew चे कितें म्हणजे it is whether it is about the feni or we are not talking only about the feni or about the nut. It is actually, I would say, it is like a cashew story. I would call it a cashew story. म्हणजे from farm to the table story. It's a cashew story. It's a story I want to show through the eyes of the main stars of the cashew fruit. That is, I would call the farmers, the self-help groups and the local artists. Artists म्हणल्यार कोण आमचे पळय जे भट्टीचेर काम करतात, जे फेणी करतात, उर्राक निरो करतात, हू हॅज दिस नॉलेज, दे आर द मेन स्टार्स ऑफ दीस. आमचे जे नट प्रोसेसर्स आसा, जे ड्रम रोस्टिंग करतात, ताका ते नट सेपरेट करतात, फ्रूट सेपरेट करतात, ताजो दॅट होल प्रोसेस जो दाखयता. That is the reason we have this the nuts which are, we can say, world famous. We call सगळे जे टुरिस्ट गोंय राज्यान येता पयलीं वता एक ड्रायफ्रूट स्टोरान वतात अँड फॉर देयर फ्रेंड्स अँड फॅमिली they take back what they take back. We all know is the cashew nuts, the Goan cashew nuts. आमी जर खंय वता एनी पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड ऑर द कंट्री, आमी व्हरतात आमचे गोवा कॅज्यू. But what we came to know is amche production actually is quite less compared to the national average, which is say 750 is the national average. Amche production Goy Rajyan is 430. आणि कॅज्यू स्टार्टेड बिकॉज आमची पळय जी लेगसी आसा आज आनी 10 वर्सां आनी 15 आनी 50 वर्सांची न्ही. इट स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम द 16th century, केम फ्रॉम विथ द पोर्चुगीज आनी तेन्नाच्यान ही लेगसी आसा. दॅट्स वाय वी कॉल इट आमची कॅज्यू लेगसी ऑर कॅज्यू हेरिटेज. सो हें तर आमी तर ग्लोबल स्टेजार पावोवपाक जाय आमी ग्लोबल प्लॅटफॉर्म ताका तर मेळपाक जाय आमकां कितलेशे विरोधी दे टॉक एंड दे आस्क अस यू आर स्पेंडींग टॅक्स पेयर्स मनी यू आर स्पेंडींग मनी ऑन दिस हॅविंग दिस कॅज्यू फेस्टिवल वॉट इज इट इज जस्ट म्युझीक आनी डान्स आनी ड्रिंक आनी हें बट नो our festival is a festival with a difference because through this festival, if you speak to any stakeholder who is participating, and we have our seasoned stakeholders, last 3 years, without fail, the same stakeholders participate. Every year, this year, आम्ही आमचे stalls increase केले. We have sold out within the first few days of whatever. We are still getting inquiries, but we don't want to increase the stalls and whatever because we just want to stick to what we are trying. आम्ही लोकांक दाखोवपाक सोदता की बाबा हे कॅज्यू फेस्टिवल आम्ही करता कित्या खातीर जी आमचे पळय जे फार्मर आसात जे दे टॉयल इन द फिल्ड्स जे ते काम करतात ते तांकां ती लागवड ते करतात लागवड सारकी लागना तांकां मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्रायस तितलो मेळना प्रोडक्शन कित्याक कमी जाला ओवर द इयर्स आमचे पळय कॅज्यू आमचो पळय एक्चुअल कॅज्यू गोवन कॅज्यू आसा ताजो तर टेस्ट इफ यू सी इट इज वे डिफरंट फ्रॉम वॉट यू गेट इन कर्नाटका ओरिसा महाराष्ट्रा केरला all these states have huge production of cashew but आमचे गोंय राज्याचे प्रोडक्शन एज कमी जाला कित्याक कमी जाला बिकॉज एग्रीकल्चरल प्रॅक्टिसीस कमी जाल्या फार्मर टेक्निक्स हॅव गॉन डावन तांकां फार्मर्स डोंट नो हाव टू लूक आफ्टर देअर प्रोडक्शन आमी आमचे जे फार्मर्स आसा दे नीड मीन्स वी नीड टू इन्सेंटिवायज लायक the agriculture department needs to give them training proper training ki baba hi tuji lagwad kashi karchi how do you have to look after your plantations मातशे weed लागले आता because these चडशे काजू आसा ते सगळे जंगल शे जाला so how do you reduce it because how do we increase our production through GFDC आमचे जे 6,500 plantations आसा that was also neglected for quite a few years but last 4 years now आमचे MD, he was the GM of the corporation. He started in 2000, I think 21. He started आमचे rejuvenating some plantations, 70 hectares. I think he started. I took over in 22. Then again we rejuvenated because we said that we have to look after our plantations. आम्ही तर दुसऱ्याक तर if we want to be a role model and tell the other farmers or the other industry, we have to start our corporation, if it's called a cashew corporation, how do we change this? So we started with rejuvenating. So dusre disa, so the last now 3 years आम्ही rejuvenate केल्या 450 hectares. This year we are rejuvenating 280 more hectares. In the next 2 years, I think we are going to we're going to take up another 1,500 hectares of rejuvenation of plantation. If we see आता थोडे आमचे तालुका आसा से सालसेत तालुका तिसवाडी बार्देस बाकीचे ते तालुका मॅक्सिमम आमचे प्रोडक्शन जाता काणकोण केपे पेडणे सत्तरी बट पोंडा but ये 2-3 तालुका आसा where production is not much so we can still try from our side whether it's agriculture department they've also written to the union ministry through the horticulture corporation की बाबा हे सगळे जे schemes आसा ते आमच्या फार्मरा पर्यंत पावोवचे since like I've been after the ministry आमची agriculture ministry and last 3 years when I took over minimum support price to the farmers was 120 आणि आज farmersक 170 मेळटा आमचे 70 तरी I can say that 3,500 farmers got 2,500 farmers got 3.5 crores of rupees minimum support price hali so this information was given to me by my zonal agriculture officer so हांव मागता की प्रत्येक जो zonal agriculture officer आसा प्रत्येक तालुकाचो ताणे तर ते एफर्ट्स घेतले आणि पळयले की बाबा जो मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्राइस जो गव्हर्मेंट हॅज अश्युअर्ड टू द फार्मर्स ते फार्मरा पर्यंत कशें पावतले कित्याक कितलेशे तुमी द प्रेस कीप्स ऑन आस्किंग की हे जो मिनिमम सपोर्ट आसा तांकां टायमली पावना आमच्या फार्मराक हो कसो पावोवपाचे सो इधर जे फार्मर्स सोसायटी आसा द एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट द गव्हर्मेंट takes them into confidence कि you give responsibility to the zonal officer कि you take responsibility for the farmers and you see that every taluka तुगेले जितले farmers registered आसा शेतकरी तांकां ते ती निधी पावोवपाक जाय आमी आमच्या through our GFDC corporation we employ over 300 self-help groups 300 farmers आणि तांकां जे कितें पयशे पावोवपाचे आसा मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्रायस वी पे देम आवर मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्रायस दे आर नॉट पार्ट ऑफ द एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट बट GFDC इज पेइंग देम देयर मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्रायस सो दैट we have taken the responsibility to look after them and give them their minimum support price. So आता agriculture department has started this initiative आणि हे price वाडयला. So this is like a big jump for us म्हणटा तशे की like a positive way that this movement has been created that it is just not like a celebration म्हणटा तशे about music आणि हे but it has caused like a cashew हे GI फेणी आमची फेणी has finally got the GI tag, which was not there. And first time, it's a very proud moment that Amcho Kasgar Bhakta, he is exporting his feni, and he's the only distiller right now in Goa who has just got his GI tag officially, and he's exporting it, and his bottle will be GI tagged. So today, feni is priced from like 200 to 500 rupees to 3,500 rupees, which we never saw. So over the last 3-4 years, Poila ki feni is being exported to many different countries. People are talking about nazalar Goya fakta niro ani urakut jana ashle. Feni it was looked down upon as a poor man's drink, but ata feni is different forms of feni you get. So and we can call it like a we can call feni as our national drink actually because it is the only drink which Goa knows to make, our people know to make and no other state can sell it as feni because we have got the GI tag. So that is like a big advantage for us. So this is helping our distillers. Our distillers who are our stakeholders are very happy that the festival has given them first time a platform. आणि हे एकमेव फेस्टिवल अशें की वी डोंट अलाव एनी अदर लिकर टू बी सर्वड बिकॉज दिस इज कॅज्यू सेंट्रीक वी वॉन्ट टू टेक कॅज्यू टू द नॅशनल अँड द ग्लोबल लेवल म्हणटा तशें आमचो जो कॅज्यू आसा अंबल फ्रूट म्हणटा नट वर्ल्ड फेमस नट कॅज्यू नट पण ते ताका पळय जो एक दर्जा मेळपाक जाय आय स्टील फील इट हॅज नॉट गॉट सो वी हॅव टू टेक इट टू द ग्लोबल लेवल अँड दिस फेस्टिवल it has created a vibe and people are talking about it. Hopefully now we will take it to the national level soon by next year maybe and slowly maybe to the international level too. And our cashew nut asuni ki amchi feni asuni should reach every nook and corner of the world. Whether you see scotch or you see tequila, vodka and whatever, it was jagbar saglyak meeta. But feni is not easily available. When you take it to the global level, automatically तुझो फेणी डिस्टिलर आसा पळय ताका बेनिफीट जातलो तो बेनिफीट जाता म्हणसर हू सप्लायज हिम द फ्रूट इट इज द फार्मर एंड द सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप सो दे इनडायरेक्टली गेट बेनिफिटेड विथ इट प्रायस वाडटलो तांकां जे मुट्टे जे सप्लाय जाता ते मुट्टे आमचे नाल्यार फार्मर कितें करता नट काडटा मुट्ट्यांक तांकां प्रायस मेळना म्हणून तशेंच सोडटात लोकल जस्ट एट लोकल लेवल दे यूज एंड दे डोंट हे बट टुमोरो अ डिस्टिलर गेट्स अ गुड प्रायस इंटरनॅशनली तो तितलो एक्स्ट्रा पेमेंट करतलो आमच्या फार्मराक आनी सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुपांक आनी दे वील बेनिफीट सो दीस इज वन फ्रूट वेर देर इज झिरो वेस्टेज फ्रुटी यूज जाता ताजो नटी यूज जाता आनी ताजे पळय जे शेल्सय आसा शेल्स आर ऑल्सो यूज ऑफ द नट टू आमचे पळय बोट्स बी आसा ताका वार्निश करतात प्रेजर्वेटिव्स म्हणून यूज करतात इन आयुर्वेदा doctors are using the shells and all and the fruit even the fruit mutte for ayurvedic treatment they are using it. So there is not a part of this fruit which is like gone to waste म्हणतात तशें. So yeah, this is the motive behind the festival, where we want to showcase the humble cashew fruit, our legacy, our heritage to India and to the global stage. And this is the reason we have this festival. And when we say explore, means you come and explore our heritage म्हणटा आमी, legacy. You empower आमचे farmer, आमचे distiller, आमचे nut processor, आमचे self-help group. That's why we say empower. And enrich means you come and get an enriching experience. So experience that you get. So प्रत्येक फावटी वी आर शोईंग आमची इथे एक बाटी आसता, एक ड्रम रोस्टिंग जाता. ह्या फावटी आनी एक फेणी, Clement of Aniek Feni, he has taken the initiative. He's put us like a full experience center, which he's taken out on his own. Means he said, I will support you all, and he's doing it on his own. So entire experience center म्हणजे थंय there will be एक भाटी आसतली, कशी फेणी करतात, कसो उराक करतात ते दाखयतले. थंय स्टॉम्पिंग जातलें. फर्स्ट टायम यू विल सी स्टॉम्पिंग हॅपनिंग ऑफ द काजू. काजू पळय मळटात आमचे पळय आमी गांवांनी पळयतात. सो एक थंय सो पीपल, फ्रेंड्स, लायक एवरीबडी कॅन कम टुगेदर. सो एट वन टायम 4-5 फ्रेंड्स कॅन एक्चुअली कम अँड डू द प्रॉपर कॅजू स्टॉम्पिंग आनी एक्सपिरियन्स काजू कशे मळटात ते. मागीर बिसायड्स दॅट देर इज गोइंग टू बी ड्रम रोस्टिंग, जे गांवांनी काजू पळय रोस्ट करून मेळटात तसले काजू आसतले. देर विल बी अ नट एक्सट्रॅक्टर विच इज जस्ट रिसंटली इनोवेशन. दिस इज अ न्यू इनोवेशन, अँड दॅट टू दिस इनोवेशन स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम 70. सो पोरूय दाखयल्लो दॅट नट एक्सट्रॅक्टर जातलो, वेर यू पुट दॅट थिंग and the nut gets separated, the fruit gets separated, and तुझो juice येता. So all this experience is there for the tourists to come and experience it. At the same time, Mr. Macwas is having a gazebo there, curated by Samira Seth, and it's called Leblanc Market. And we are having various artists. One artist is called, I think, Rohit M. Narayan, who's going to like do caricatures, and he's going to paint like cashew history म्हणतात तशे. Another artist is Chari, who's I think a caricature, so he's going to be there. And this entire gazebo there, which is sponsored by Mr. Macwas, is going to tell the entire story of the cashew म्हणतात तशे. And I think entire proceeds of this is going to he's very close to the armed forces, so the proceeds are going to go to the armed forces. So Samira Seth is the curator. She's going to curate this thing. So it is going to be a very different kind of a thing. So where you are having a gazebo, we are having 3-4 artists showing the story of cashew, everything connected to cashew. There's going to be a saxophonist playing there. And there's going to be this experience center where Mr. Aniek of Clement of Aniek Feni is doing the experience center. Amche various more than 50 food and beverage stalls. Our menu is 50% cashew and 50% is general. And liquor is only cashew. So whether it is Niro, Hurrak or Feni, they do cocktails. You can use other mixtures to it, but the prime ingredient is only cashew. So the festival is only about cashew, whether it is the nut, whether it's the fruit. And before the festival, the morning session is going to have our technical sessions. Last 2 seasons we have had it. This year also we are having it. We are having more panelists this time discussing about the agricultural practices, how to maintain the plantations, about Ayurveda. Dr. Sneha Bhagwat does how you use the cashew fruit for Ayurvedic purposes. Then we are having our forest people talking about the way we are growing our plantations. आमचे जे plantations are I think only plantations in Goa where actually you can say is the actual Goan variety of cashew, which we do our own seedling variety. So we do our own grafting, we do our own seed germination, and what we are planting in our plantations are the authentic Goan variety, which you used to get. कित्याक आतां you have a lot of Vengurla variety which is available in Goa, what you see in the plantations. But GFDC has only the Goan variety and no other variety. And all our plantations, आम्ही जे rejuvenate करतात, we are using only our variety, seedling variety. This year we have, I think, grown over 80,000 आमचे seedlings. And we are going to use, I mean, we sell them also. We have a lot of people inquiring. We are going to sell it, but over 60,000 we are going to use to rejuvenate our own plantations. Because if we are way below the national average, we have to see, Baba, आमची average कशी वाडोवपाची. आमकां तर कॅज्यू, एक्चुअल गोवन कॅज्यू तर जगभर पावोवपाक जाय. आमचे जे नट प्रोसेसर्स आसा, we see that nuts are being exported, whether first it was from Vietnam or from Ghana, from other states, because तांकां गोंयचो काजू कमी पडटा. So if they are going to sell their cashew, they need, that is their business. So आमकां तर स्वता तर आमचे गोवन कॅज्यू व्हरायटी तर वाडोवपाक जाय. The only way is we improve our plantations, we increase our growth, rejuvenate and improve our production. That is the only way. So what we were seeing is, we came to know that coastal belt is having lot of spurious cashew, where last 3 years when we started this season, cashew season, we wrote to FDA. So last 2 seasons, 2 years now, FDA has been kind of attacking the entire North Goa coastal belt, and they have been visiting lot of cashew stalls over there. And they have found lot of mixed काजू आणि very means actually वयल्यान धवे काजू घालतात, actually तर पॅकेट ओपन केले, भितर सगळे कुशिल्ले कॅज्यू. So it was like a very shameful thing that in the name of brand Goa, cashews were being sold like that. So lakhs of rupees of cashew FDA has kind of confiscated, and they have closed down many outlets. So they have come very strict about it. Yeah, there are a few other yeah. So this was one of the things that we have achieved with this festival season 3, but we have managed that there is strict, people are taking strict action. Means ते पासून आता भितले की बाबा आता आम्ही मिक्स करून काजू विकपाचे. दे आर गोइंग टू बी मोर स्कॅर्ड नाव टू सेल द कॅज्यू इन दॅट वे. आमकां तर ऑथेंटीक कॅज्यू तर आमचे गोंय राज्याचे तर कॅज्यू जगभर पावोवपाक जाय जाल्यार आय थिंक वी हॅव टू चेंज सर्टन पॉलिसी डिसिजन्स. आवर गव्हर्मेंट हॅज टू मेक पॉलिसी डिसिजन्स की आमचे जे नट प्रोसेसर आसा, वाय आर दे पुटींग युनिट्स आउटसायड गोवा? Because they are putting, Maharashtra is giving them incentives, so they are putting units outside Goa. So our government, माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्यांकडे उलयला, and they are making efforts to change it, to attract the nut processors back into our state. So none of the processors go outside Goa to do the processing units. So once the processing units come into Goa, we will definitely, it will benefit. It's all about demand and supply. We increase our supply. Demand तर असाच, but supply कमी असा म्हणून this is the whole issue. We change policy decisions, and government is at it, like how we have improved the minimum support price. So I'm sure the nut processors, what they have asked for, that is also going to happen. Feni has already got GI tagged by the state. The nut, the cashew nut, is in the process of getting GI tagged. म्हाका दिसता आनी 1-2 म्हयन्यांनी the nut will also get GI tagged. So nobody tomorrow will be able to sell the cashews as GI tagged, because you will have to go through that process. एक panel astale, there will be a committee who will actually monitor baba what nut is actually Goan kai kireto. So that process is going on. That is also one of our efforts to get the nut also GI tagged, because cashew nut जो गोंयचो आसा मोठोय एक वेगळोच फ्लेवर आसता, सायज वेगळी आसता आनी नटाची सायज वेगळी आसता. सो दिस इज ऑल दिस एंटायर प्रोसेस. आनी एक म्हणटा ते दिस टायम I think this is also one more achievement for us, that we got inquiry from Bombay, one of a big food chain, like a patisserie, like a pastry shop from Bombay. They approached us saying that we want to come to Goa and participate in your Kaju festival. So first time we are having a stakeholder from Mumbai. So it's called a Food Paradise. It is a chain of it's a patisserie. They have shops in Bombay and they have a franchisee in Gujarat. So they said, we want to tap the Goa market, and we have heard about your Kaju festival, and we want to come to Goa and we want to put up a stall. So it is just, all their desserts are going to be just Kaju based. They have very, very high end kind of desserts, Kaju based, and they are coming to Goa and putting up a stall first time at the festival. So that is like a big achievement for us ki गोंयचे भायले कोण तरी येता आनी is investing and coming to Goa and putting up a stall. At the same time, first time we are having a bartender coming all the way from Thailand. So he was supposed to come in June, but to do a trail, Feni trail, distillery trail. Just now, few days back, we had a Japanese bartender coming who had come to Goa, and he had done this whole trail of the distilleries in Goa. But now it was too short; he couldn't stay for long. So we have invited the Japanese the association bartenders for next year's Kaju festival. And they have accepted, and I'm sure they will be coming next time, and we will take it to other more maybe Southeast Asian countries too. But now it is like a proud moment that the bartender who was supposed to come in June, he preponed because he came to know ki baba Goy Rajyan a festival aata jata, and he was told about it, and he is coming for the festival specially. He's taking part in the technical session. He's going to speak with Mr. Hansel Vaz in his panel, that is Kazulo Feni Distillers, Vaz Enterprises. He's going to speak on Kaju, the distillation process, or the various aspects of how to market this product to the world and how to take it to the next level. So we are having a bartender from Thailand this time. I won't talk about our two new initiatives, but as you know, Goa Kaju Festival Amche is part of our GFDC. Since inception, since our vision, last 2 years, this is season 3. GFDC has grown beyond Kaju Mantatashe. We have ventured out into ecotourism. We are the nodal agency for the Forest Corporation, and we have started Sylvan. Our ecotourism brand is called Sylvan brand, and we have started Bondla Eco Cottages in Bondla, where we have renovated 12 cottages. We have started a den restaurant there. We do bird trails, so it is like a package. People can come, and we are trying to show Goa beyond the beaches. आमी जेन्ना म्हणटात गोंय राज्यान तुमी येतात, Goa is not only about just the sun, sand or the beach. There is so much more to Goa than just the sun and the beaches. गोंय राज्यान येता आनी लोक म्हणटा, oh, this is also there in Goa, that is also there in Goa. Oh, देवळांय आसा गोंया. नाल्यार लोकांक दिसता बाबा गोंय राज्यान फक्त बीच आसा, हें आसा, एक 4 चर्ची आसा. No, but there is so much more to it. And more than that, there is something called this very, very big and rich fruit called the Kaju fruit, which is one fruit where it has helped like thousands of farmers, thousands of self-help group, hundreds of distillers, hundreds of nut processors, and I'm so happy ki आता the younger generation is coming into Kaju production. जे आमचे न्यू भुरगीं भायर शिकून आयिल्लीं, they are venturing, they are taking interest in the Feni distillation process, in the Feni distillery. They are coming into this business. They have seen that there is a market to it. Market is improving. Feni is reaching national, and there is a chance to reach the global level. So I'm very happy that new entrepreneurs are, budding entrepreneurs are coming up. Atal Incubation Center, they have also tied up with us last 3 seasons where startups like, because Kaju Mandakir it's not only nut or it is not only the feni, there is value added products of Kaju. म्हणजे ताका का value Kaju milk zata, Kaju butter zata, there's Kaju being used in cosmetics. So the startups are coming up to have to start these things. So पण ताका तितले अजून startups have not come up in Goa. So it's more the nut industry, more the feni industry that is coming up. But this is like our efforts. So our Sylvan brand that we have started, like ecotourism brand, we have started in Bondla, our cottages. We have a restaurant. We do the bird trays. It's like a package. People can come and enjoy the forest. Don't, if you're coming 2 days to the forest, to the beach, I request people just come 1 day, stay in the forest, see what we have, we are providing, how we are maintaining the civic sense, how we are keeping our forests clean. You won't see even one paper or one plastic in our areas. Where GFDC is maintaining the sites, we are taking care. Dudhsagar, Dudhsagar is famous, all tourists come, but we have started toilet facilities, changing room facilities. We are maintaining the entire stretch of Dudhsagar. We have started canteen there. So if you go to Dudhsagar and if you feel it is clean and there is no dirt or no plastic or no this, you can thank GFDC for it, because we have taken the initiative to maintain the entire stretch of the forest, and we are maintaining those sites. We have started in Mainapi and Sauri. We have again started waterfall tourism. We have started our own jeep safaris, Dudhsagar jeep safaris, Dastatesho, Mainapi and Sauri. We have started our own jeep safaris through GFDC, and those sites also we have again started canteen and changing rooms, toilet facilities which were not there. People, they log watale, enjoy kartale, but they didn't have place to change their clothes or swim or enjoy. So we have provided everything for them. We are maintaining these sites. In May, we are coming up with another site of ours, which is at Aranyak, which is at next to Tamdi Sulla, next to Dudhsagar. So that is the Mahavir Park. There again, we have taken it over from the forest department. We are having the 5 tent and we are building 10 more cottages there. So that is going to be like another attraction, another eco camp of ours. And it is definitely going to help the people, because people coming and staying there will have direct access to the waterfalls from our sanctuary inside. So that is going to be one more advantage. All that site, we are going to have a restaurant there. So all these sites, and amche some more sites we are coming up at other areas, which you will come to know eventually. And we are unveiling 2 new initiatives at the Kaju Fest, which I invite you all to come and please take note of it and advertise it tomorrow and make news about it. I'm not going to speak about it today because it's a surprise, but these are like 2 big initiatives for GFDC, which hopefully each one of us will be very proud of, and hopefully each one of you will be proud of the initiative GFDC has started. One is a green initiative and another is an initiative which is directly is benefiting our farmers and our self-help groups in a big way. So these are 2 initiatives which are going to be unveiled at the hands of the Honorable Chief Minister on the 25th of April. So hope to see each one of you there. आणि थँक्यू व्हेरी मच की तुम्ही टायम काढून आज हांगा आयले, आमचे कवर केलं हो प्रोग्राम, आणि इट इज लायक अ पार्टनरशिप म्हणटा तशें तुमी वॉट एवर यू ऑल गिव, वेदर इट्स द प्रिंट मिडिया, डिजिटल मिडिया, you all have been giving us so much love and affection and positive reporting all these years, and this year also I'm seeing, and hopefully you'll continue, and this relationship continues in a very positive manner, and hope to see all of you at the Kaju Fest. Please come, explore, help us to empower and have an enriching experience at the Kaju Fest season 3 2025, and hope to see each one of you there. Thank you very much for all your time. GFDC.
and export कितले केला बाहेर
करू ना. We don't. So आमचे we don't sell काजू. आमचे पळय जी लागवड आसा ती आमचे जे बिडर्स आसा, फार्मर्स आसा, सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स आसा ते मेंटेन करतात आनी दे आर लुकींग आफ्टर इट. आमी झाडां दितात तांकां, आमी सगळेंच करतात, पण फाल्यां जेन्ना ते एक्सपोर्ट बी न्ही, ते कितें करतात, ते प्लांटेशनांतल्यान कलेक्ट करतात आनी आपल्याक जाय त्या प्रोसेसराक दितात. ते तांचे ते कनेक्शन आसा. सो वी आर नॉट एक्सपोर्टींग बिकॉज पयलीं म्हणटा ते आमी गव्हर्मेंट ऑर्गनायझेशन. इट वॉज like I said, over the years it was neglected. आमचे प्रोडक्शन कमी जाल्ले, तितलो फायनान्शियल बॅकअप ना. फॉरेस्ट कॉर्पोरेशन इज नॉट अ व्हेरी वेल्दी कॉर्पोरेशन. इट्स नॉट अ प्रॉफिटेबल कॉर्पोरेशन. Which we are trying to do by venturing out into other ecotourism and even other things of Kaju म्हणटा तशें. We are trying to improve our plant.